रहे हैं हमारे एथलीट्स।
आपने रोहित की बात की 80 मीटर हर्डल्स की, बहुत शानदार था, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा नाराज इसलिए था क्योंकि उसने मोनोपोली ब्रेक की महाराष्ट्र की। महाराष्ट्र ने सारी हर्डल्स, अगर आपको याद है, जीते थे। 100 वुमेन्स हर्डल्स, 110 बॉयज हर्डल्स, और रोहित ने आके वो मोनोपोली ब्रेक कर दी, विच इज गुड फॉर स्पोर्ट, बिकॉज मोनोपोली कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इजंट इट?
ये तो मोनोपोली की बात नहीं है, मतलब ये तो कार वाली बात थी कि कार में पहले मारुति का मोनोपोली था, अब उसमें देश की बात है। और चाहे बिहार का हो, महाराष्ट्र का हो, सब तो खेलना देश की।
बिल्कुल।
तो कोई भी राज्य अगर आगे बढ़ता है तो हमें खुशी होनी चाहिए।
नेशन फर्स्ट जो हम कहते हैं।
यस, और स्पोर्ट्स फॉर नेशन बिल्डिंग एंड नेशन फर्स्ट, उसी की बात होती है, और एथलेटिक्स इसका बहुत ताजा उदाहरण है।
This is the next event which we are watching. That's the women's event. We got Nagini of Karnataka taking that early lead, the girl in a red vest, and there are others close on her heels. If I remember, you were doing the decathlon during your time. Am I right?
Yes, I started my career as a shot putter, but my coaches forced me to do decathlon. I was a national medalist also in decathlon.
So when you look at this event here, now taking the lead is a change, Ridhima of Haryana, but very close. I think they will break away. They'll break away very soon. It has to happen very quickly, but this doesn't look to be a fast. Here comes the break now. Here it has to come, because it's now or never, and that might come. Is she able to sustain herself? Ridhima from Haryana. They are at the far side. Now coming on to the final. Well, this is not going to be a meet record, or will it be? This is the 1000 meters, remember, and not the 600. So we still have a long way to go. There goes the bell now. The final 400 meters. Taking over at this point of time is a newcomer, Hina from Haryana. Hina comes in. Nagini from Karnataka continues to be in the second. So, you know, when you're looking at the 1000 meters, once again, innovation. Some of them will drop down to the 800. Some of them will go to the 100 meters. A part of the decathlon, the 1500 and some of the others. How easy was it for you, or how easy it for them to adjust to that situation in each of the events?
Last event in decathlon is 1500 meters, and for me, it was the most difficult.
For a shot putter.
Yeah, for a shot putter who has a base from pros, the most tiresome and everything.
Look at her going away now. The girl who took that lead after 400 meters, she's holding on now, is Hina of Haryana. She is sure to take it away. Yes, look at that difference out here. She's outclassed the others. 250.64, the national record and the meet record. Sanjana 246.458. It doesn't matter. Records have to be broken someday or the other. She hasn't broken one, but I'm sure she and the others out here will be the champions. Dr. Chuna, when you look at these 14, 16-year-olds, एक साथ